Find integral square root of x minus 1 into 2 minus x dx. So here we have to find value of integral, that is integral of square root of x minus 1 into 2 minus x dx. Okay, as the first step we are going to expand this term, that is x minus 1 into 2 minus x. What is that? X into x will give minus x square, then x into 2 will give 2x, minus 1 into minus x will give x, that is 2x plus x is 3x, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Okay, so what is the expansion? Minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Next, we are taking negative outside from this term, then we will get x square minus 3x plus 2 here. So why we are taking negative outside? That is, we have to make this function in this form, that is square root of a square minus x square. So we are taking negative outside. Next, we have to use the completing square method in order to make this function in this form, that is a square minus x square. That is, in order to apply completing the square method, we have to find half of the coefficient of x here. What is the half coefficient of x? That is 3. Whether it is negative 3 or positive 3, you have to take 3 only. Okay, then half of 3 is 3 by 2. That is, at first we have to take half of the middle term, that is here coefficient of half of the coefficient of the middle term, that is here 3. Now we have to add 3 by 2 square and subtract 3 by 2 square from this term, that is 3 by 2 square minus 3 by 2 square, in order to make this term a square term, that is in this form, a square minus x square. So what we will get, that is, what is x square minus 3x by 3 by 2 whole square? That is x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square. What is this? This is of the form a minus b whole square. Okay, what is a minus b whole square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is of the form a minus b whole square. Then what is this? That is 3 by 2 square plus 2. 3 by 2 square is 9 by 4, minus 9 by 4 plus 2 will give minus 9 plus 8 whole divided by 4, that is minus 1 by 4. So we get our term like this. Next we have to write it in the form of a minus b whole square. That is, what is a here? That is x. B here, that is 3 by 2. X minus 3 by 2 whole square. That is, on expanding we will get x square minus 2 into 3 by 2 into x. That is, on cancelling 2, 3x will remain here plus 3 by 2 whole square. So a minus b whole square. Now here 1 by 4 is rewritten as 1 by 2 whole square. On taking negative inside, we will get negative of 1 by 4 will becomes positive, that is 1 by 2 whole square. That is positive 1 by 2 whole square. Now this term will becomes negative, that is 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now our function becomes integral of square root of 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx, which is of the form a square minus x square. So what we have done so far, we expand the term, we have taken negative outside. Next we find what is the half of middle term, that is without considering its sign. Here half of the coefficient of x is 3. Then we add 3 by 2 whole square, subtract 3 by 2 whole square. Now on taking this term, we get x minus 3 by 2 whole square, that is, which is of the form a minus b whole square. Here a square, that is 1 by 2 whole square. So for that we have done this much step, that is, we get the term in the form of a square minus x square. Next what we have to do, we have to apply this formula. What is integral of a square minus x square dx? That is x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Now, what is a here? Here a equal to 1 by 2. What is x term here? That is x minus 3 by 2. So, on applying formulae, instead of x, we have to give this x minus 3 by 2. That is x by 2 will give x minus 3 by 2 by 2 into square root of a square minus x square. That is this term itself plus a square by 2. What is a square by 2? A is 1 by 2. A square by 2 is 1 by 2 whole square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. What is x here? X minus 3 by 2. That is x minus 3 by 2 by a. What is a here? 1 by 2. That is a term is 1 by 2. So, by using this formula, we have to we have to find the value of integral like this. That is, we have to carefully observe what is a term here 1 by 2, what is x term x minus 3 by 2. Then we have to apply this formula here. Next, we have to simplify this term in order to get our final result. Now, here x minus 3 by 2, on taking LCM, we will get 2x minus 3 by 2 into 2, that is this 2, into square root of 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, x minus 3 by 2 whole square, x minus 3 by 2 whole square itself, plus 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 into 2, this 2, sine inverse of again 2x minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. Next, what is this? 2x minus 3 by 2 into 2, that is 4. Here, root of 1 by 4 in minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. So, what is this? That is this term, that is 1 by 2 square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. From where we have reached here, that is from here. Okay. Or from here. That is, what is that? Minus x square plus 3x minus 2. That is, on expanding this, we will get minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay. That is, from here we have reached to this term. That is 1 by 4 into square root of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now, again we are rewriting this term like this. Then we will get minus x square plus 3x minus 2 instead of this, plus 1 by 4 into 2, which is 8, into sine inverse of 2x minus 3. Now 2 and 2 get cancelled here. Then what will remain? 1. That is sine inverse of 2x minus 3 plus c. So what is our final result? 2x minus 3 by 4 into square root of minus x square plus 3x minus 2 plus 1 by 8 into sine inverse of 2x minus 3 plus c. Instead of this term, you can also write x minus 1 into 2 minus x. Okay.